welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing about a university which has always been one of its kind. Okay? The university is Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, and this university is back with its all new course structure oriented with National Education Policy 2020, and it has also introduced new courses from this year. So you can check them out on LinkedIn. If you check me out on LinkedIn, I did share their post. You will find it there as well. So this is a list. We can discuss about the pamphlet maybe later. I'll directly go to the website because they will there we will find exactly the same things which are there in the pamphlet. Okay. কিচ্ছু চাইনি আমি আজীবন ভালোবাসা ছাড়া কিচ্ছু চাইনি আমি আজীবন ভালোবাসা ছাড়া. I'm singing this song because I was listening to it some time ago. Oh, I like the color, you see? Clipchamp. I like this color. Alright. I will be going towards the programs for admissions and just check out what are the programs which are available. Okay, by the way, अगर आप लोग चाहते हो कि हिंदी में भी वीडियो बनाया दिया जाए तो कमेंट में लिख देना, मैं बना दूंगा. And if there is the demand, I will also make videos on some of the courses, detailed videos and more detailed videos about this university. Okay, admissions like applications are open, so you can go and apply there in the website sssihl.edu.in. Okay, so I'll select all. Okay, so we have BS, and when we talk about BS, it is a 4-year BS program, 4-year Bachelor of Science program. Very valuable, very prestigious. Okay, we have BS honors and honors with research. Okay, I'll not say this part a lot of times, I'll just say it once. Every BS course will have the option to either make the student get an honors degree or honors with research degree. Okay, we have a BS in biosciences and biotechnology. We have BS in AI and computational biology. We have MSc in mathematics. We have BA in English language and literature. Then we have Bachelor of Performing Arts in Music. We have BS in Computer Science, BS in Mathematical Sciences and Computing. Basically, BS in Mathematics and Computing. Okay? We have BS Mathematics. We have BBA Honors. We have BS in Economics. We have BA in Economics. We have BCom Honors as a course here. We have for women, we have food and nutritional sciences. We have BS chemistry, BS physics. For men, we have BS in actuarial data science. Now, this course is really special. I'll show it in the next page after I cover all of them. BS in actuarial data science. We have doctoral research, and yeah, research here in this university is amazing. It's really amazing. Okay, so, if the guidelines and framework of this university suits your goals and does not create a hindrance to the type of person you are, do check it out for a PhD if you want to. We have MTech in Optoelectronics and Communications, we have MTech in Computer Science, we have MBA, and we have BEd for women, MSc Food and Nutritional Science for women, MA in English and Literature for women, MSc in Biosciences for both men and women. My computer is lagging. We have MSc in Chemistry, MSc Physics, MA Economics, and Diploma in Music. These are the courses which we have here. Okay? And if I just show you this course is really special. I'll say in short, okay? Maybe I'll make a detailed video on that as well. So basically, in short, if I say like recognition from Society of Actuaries (SOA), then universities and colleges with actuarial programs UCAP, and advanced curriculum, and see this one, see property and casualty insurance, actuarial education. So it is the only university in India which has all the prestigious distinctions in actuarial data science. Okay, only university in India, and only one of the four universities in the world. This is the power of this university. Okay, so exit options are available. Okay, and you may or may not do research. They have done a very good thing by putting these actually here. All right, I may cover this in a separate video altogether. Okay, if you say so. But if I just have to give a trailer to you, uh, I did share this post in our CIC's Telegram group. You can join that by searching on Telegram itself. So it follows a modern Gurukul system, values based integral education. My computer is lagging. Okay, lag seems to go away slowly. And yeah, excellent features facilities for teaching and research. But the most important thing, the education for undergraduate courses at least. For professional courses, they charge some money. For other programs, the tuition fee is rupees zero. Yes, you heard it right. The tuition fees are rupees zero. So if this university suits your things, you should definitely check it out. They have their own entrance exam followed by an interview, and this just might be for you. There is discipline, there is culture, and there is good exposure. There is devotion. There is personality development. There is character development. There is morality. The pillars of this institution, following the principles of the revered founder, chancellor, who also happens to be my guru, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Okay, I'll show you the homepage once before I end this video. साई हमारा हम साई के ऐसा प्रेम हमारा साई राम हमारा. Okay, so just a trailer of what's that. All right, and you can also come to the website and check or many things, which are relevant for you. All right, I'll end this video here itself. Won't make it very long. So there are four campuses, three for boys, one for girls, and also in this university, the medium of instruction is discipline. The first, second, and third languages are love, service, and sadhana. That is spiritual discipline. All right, I'll end this video. Thanks for staying back till this point, and do subscribe to my channel for more information. Write in the comment section what type of videos you would like to see, what type of information you would like to seek from my side. Other than this, I will also make videos on other topics, miscellaneous topics about life in general, especially teenage and college life. So stay on the same page as me to get updates of all the things. Thank you and God bless.